Hello guys, welcome to my course. In this video I will tell you how to create hillshade map. Hillshade map shows the topographic details for our study area. So firstly go to File, Open, and go to ArcGIS Thesis Maps, and here is the elevation map, and click the elevation mxd file. Open it. That's it. As you remember that we have also print our elevation map, Kathmandu City elevation map. Now we will use SRTM data to create hillshade. Okay, so return back to data view, click the data view, and here is our toolbox. Firstly, you need to be sure that you have extensions like 3D Analyst. For this, click the Customize Extensions, and so all of the extensions must be activated. I have already mentioned you before, I'm using ArcGIS 10.8 version. Okay, so now click the Art Toolbox and 3D Analyst tool, and here is raster surface. Click here, hillshade. Here is. If you want to create relief map, you need to use hillshade. Okay. Input raster will be SRTM data. Now output raster. Let's give location. So here is folder connection. Here is the ArcGIS Thesis map. And now I'm creating a new folder. I'm typing hillshade. Okay. Now click hillshade. Pardon. This one, hillshade. And I'm typing hillshade again. Save it. Normally we are not changing these azimuths and altitude value, but in our next lectures, especially when we are creating lineament density map, we will change these values. It will show that when we change these values, it will show that breaking lines, topographical lines more better. So now we are not changing this one, especially breaking lines show the lineaments. Okay, now I'm just changing this Z factor. It will give us more better view for topographical detail. Okay, so type 3, and here is environment output coordinate system. Here is the same as the SRTM, and click OK and click OK. If you want, you can also use hillshade raster data under the SRTM data or in front of the SRTM data. So it depends to you. Now, as you see that, yes, we see the Kathmandu topographic details clearly. Yes, here is the hills, and these areas are the flat areas. You see them. Okay, so click the layout view, and here is the Kathmandu city of. Click here, properties. I'm typing Kathmandu city of hillshade map. Okay, and apply it. Okay, so I'm not using this SRTM, so I'm closing this one. Okay, no, that's fine, that's good. Okay, now let's export it. Export map, and here is maps. You need to save hillshade here. I'm typing hillshade. Click OK. Okay, here is. And go to maps and hillshade. Yes, seems nice. Cool. If you want, you can also add SRTM. Now you don't see the SRTM, but if we give transparency to hillshade raster, we will be able to see SRTM more better. So, for example, click 2 times hillshade and display. Transparency is, for example, 50%. Now I'm giving the 50% transparency for hillshade so that we can see SRTM more better. And here is a resample method, bilinear. Apply this one, click OK. Yes, seems nice. If you want, you can also, for example, firstly, okay, properties, for example, come on to relief map, or maybe you can type that elevation map, it depends on you. Apply it, click OK, and click File, Export Map. Export map, for example, Kathmandu CTO elevation. You can use the elevation without elevation. You can create elevation map without hillshade, but it shows more better as you see that. So elevation map of Kathmandu. It depends on you. In thesis, most of the times people are using SRTM within hillshade. Okay, you've seen that. So especially these darker areas shows the more higher elevation, and these green areas shows the flat areas. Okay, so here is file, export map again, and here is elevation map of Kathmandu. Save it. Okay, this one. Anyway, let's return back and hillshade. Click 2 times here, display, and click 0, and here is nearest neighbor. Apply, click OK, and save it, because we will be able to use this hillshade for next turn. Okay, save as, and I'm typing hillshade here, hillshade. Save it. Okay guys, see you later again. Bye bye.